How can you listen along while reading an ebook in a iPhone or iPad? Let me show you how it works or what options you have available. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So, me personally, the way I've been using it is that I accessed the book through the Apple Books app, but I also bought or got the Audible version of the same book. So I got the audio, which I could play through the Audible app, as well as looking at the screen where the book was written. And so I had like the double input. And the book was like the official made and recorded by a professional. So it was very high quality, and you can do it this way if you are interested in. However, you can also go to the settings, tap on accessibility, and in the read and speak section, we have the speak screen. And technically, you can just make any text read out loud to you, like any speakable content will be like read when you have that option, and you can trigger it by the gesture of swiping down with 2 fingers from the top edge of the display. The speech controller is going to appear, and all of the things, every single text will be read out loud to you. So that is also another option you can apply to some various different articles or text or whatever, and that is something that you might be interested in. So that's what you have available. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up on your iPad or which option you decided to go with. Hit a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.